clogged sink?
It sucks.
Please help me.
Don't panic. Don't call a plumber. Today, I'll show you the right way to unclog your sink. And the best part, you won't spend a single dollar. Start simple. Boil a kettle of water, then slowly pour it straight into the drain in stages. This melts away grease and loosens small blockages. Wait a few seconds between pours to let the heat work its magic.
Did that do it?
If hot water isn't enough, bring in a natural cleaner. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, then chase it with half a cup of vinegar. Quickly cover the drain with a stopper. You'll hear fizzing and bubbling. That's the reaction breaking down the clog. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, then flush with boiling water.
It's working now.
Still clogged? Time for some muscle. Grab a plunger. First, cover the sink's overflow hole with a wet cloth to seal it. Now plunge up and down firmly for about 20 seconds. The pressure you create forces the blockage to move. No luck yet?
Not yet, a few noises, but no luck yet.
Let's get hands-on. Straighten a wire hanger, then bend a small hook at the end. Carefully slide it into the drain and pull up any hair, food or gunk that's stuck. Remember, don't push it further down, just hook and lift.
Oh, thank God. Oh.
If none of these work, the problem's probably in your P-trap, the curved pipe under your sink. Place a bucket underneath to catch water, loosen the nuts, and remove the trap. Clean it out with a brush, rinse it with hot water, and reattach it. This step usually clears the toughest blockages. And that's it. The right way to unclog a sink without spending a dime. Start with boiling water, move to baking soda and vinegar, and if needed, try plunging, fishing out debris, or cleaning the P-trap. No plumber, no wasted money. Did this save your sink? Then hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more smart fixes made simple right here on Wiki Hacks.